Hi, third grade. I miss you guys so much. I created a YouTube channel to kind of help us stay in touch with going through information for school and making sure that you're aware of what's expected of you and your assignments and things that you need to do to turn in your work. All of our work is mandatory. That means that it will go towards a grade. The Catholic schools, the Archdiocese came out and they said that we're able to count this work that you're doing as part of your schoolwork. So that's fantastic. My YouTube channel that I've created is called Mrs. M Third Grade, and I'm going to give it to your parents in our email along with this video so that you can subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I'm going to post things like videos that might help you with some of the assignments that you might be unsure of. I also have the Flipgrid. I know some of you have joined that and you guys have been having fun with it. So that's exciting watching your videos. I'm going to be turning that more into an educational thing where I'm going to post questions and we're going to answer it. The other thing I'm going to use YouTube channel for is I'm going to read to you the end of the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, because I know we were sad we didn't get to finish that. The movie is rated PG. It is out there if you ask your parents' permission. Remember, always ask your parents' permission before you go on the internet, that you can watch that video and we can discuss it, the differences between the book and the video if you'd like to. And then I'm also going to be starting a new read along. I'm going to be doing Ramona Quimby Age 8, which is one of my all-time favorites from my third grade teacher when I was in third grade. So I just wanted to go through your packet. I am sure some of you guys, when you got your packet yesterday, already ripped into it, but I just wanted to go over a few things. There was a letter addressed to your parents that kind of explained how things were set up, but I just wanted to go through it with you day by day so that you were aware and more comfortable with the work. So you had two packets that came in the mail, came in the envelope. One looked like this, and then the other one was another packet identical to this. If you look across the top, you're looking for the dates. This is Monday, March 23rd. That's going to be our first packet. So if you were to look at this packet, you would see this is kind of like what I write on the board every day, our agenda of what we're going to do. And I have it written down going down for Monday. So I have each subject, and then in each subject I have an assignment for you. These assignments aren't going to take you as long as it takes us to finish at school because I'm not there talking to you and we're not having a discussion, which makes me sad because we have some great discussions. But the work's not going to take you as long to get through, so I want you to be aware of that. Secondly, this is just a suggestion on how to do your work. Can you do it another way? Sure you can. You can go ahead and you can take the packets apart. You want to do all your math one day, you want to do all your science another day. That's fine. That's up to you and how you want to do it. The most important thing is that you're doing your work. So in our packet, they're all labeled day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on, all the way through. And then in the other packet are labeled days 6 through 10. So I also put on the schedule, it says Lenten book, and it says pages Friday, first week of Lent through second week of Lent Sunday. Remember, this book, it makes sense to you, but mom and dad aren't going to understand it. So you're going to be doing a lot of teaching yourself. So you're going to be teaching mom and dad a little bit how our classroom runs. There are no page numbers in this book. So that's why I went ahead and I described what it says at the top of the page so you know what page you need to be working on, in case you guys forgot that. So I wanted to let you know about that. Also, in your pile, you'll see some work from your specials teachers. I know Mr. Talia sent something. Mrs. Clancy sent some art projects. Mrs. Abuna sent some coding. And I think the music teacher sent something about recorders, but I don't think you guys have recorders. So don't worry about doing the music part about recorders because I don't think you have recorders in third grade. That might have been for her other school. So you can just go ahead and skip that if you don't have a recorder. The other thing is reading. We're starting a new reading book called Fly, Eagle, Fly. So I'm going to go ahead and on my YouTube channel, with the help of my daughter, Katie, I'm going to post for you the actual video of Fly, Eagle, Fly, the ones like we would watch in class of someone reading the story for you. We're going to be talking about prepositions. So, you know, Henry, I know your love of Schoolhouse Rock, so we'll get that Schoolhouse Rock video on there for you for prepositions. And then we're going to start talking about the Civil War and Michigan's involvement in the Civil War. So I'm also going to be doing another video like this discussing Michigan's involvement in the Civil War. Again, do you have to watch me and talk? No, but if it's there to help you with your homework, okay? Our spelling's all going to be done on Spelling City. In your packet, you will see that the words are up there for you on the Weebly still. If you want to use them, that's fine. But Spelling City already has them loaded, and there's various activities for you to do each day. Again, you can do them all at once, or you can break them down. It's up to you. I also have a really cool planet report for you to work on. As you can see kind of around me, I've set up my own workspace. That might be something you want to do to help you get more prepared for school and feel like you're doing your schoolwork. But there's this really cool planet report we're working on. It's a whole bunch of different things on the planet. I left the teacher instructions in there to help you just understand how to do it, since I'm not going to be there to explain it to you. Again, I will shoot another video explaining how to glue this book together. If you need help with that, I don't have a problem doing that. Just some of you guys might be going further ahead of me than what I'm doing. We're not planning on working on this till Tuesday, so I probably won't shoot this video till Monday. So again, can you go forward? Absolutely. Can you wait on it? Sure you can. It's up to you and how you want to do it. So this is a really cool report we're going to work on the solar system. So we're going to work on this together to the point where I'm going to show you how to assemble it. But you're going to talk about different planets. The things that we've read about, you can use that. Bill Nye has a video on the planets. Unfortunately, we didn't get to because of everything that's happened. I'll try to put a link on the page for you for that. And there's some other videos on planets. You also can use the internet if your mom and dad say it's okay, okay? Make sure you're always asking mom and dad permission before you're getting on that internet. Also, we've put in a new book called The Good Eggs. This is part of our religion program, and this is something we're going to be reading. You can read it before bed, you can read it whatever. I'll be putting discussion questions on the Flipgrid, so that we'll be discussing that as well. Here's my co-teacher, Mr. Murphy. He just came downstairs. I don't know if you can see him on the screen, but he's down there. So I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how we're going to do this. I'm going to try to shoot a video for you every day of some sort, giving you just kind of keeping in contact with you. I hope that you guys are all well. You're in my prayers, and I hope that we'll be together very soon because I miss you all very much. So again, look through your packet. If you have questions, you can email me your questions. You can have your mom help you use your mind, and you can ask me questions on that. And you can go ahead and you can do Flipgrid if you have a question also on that. We can talk about that. You have to be in contact with me at least three times a week. Again, using those things, you can use Flipgrid, you can use the Weebly. I'm going to have a discussion board on the Weebly. Your mom and dad know about the Weebly. On my email or on Remind, okay? So we want to stay in contact, okay? I miss you guys all very much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.